Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. We're going to take a look at a plant that's been relatively ignored, I would say, throughout this winter, but I'm going to cover it right now. It's called the running onion. Now, this thing was planted late last year in August, and it's doing fine, but it got cold and then it froze around these parts 2 nights in a row. And these things, here we are 2 weeks after the fact, and these things are still holding on. It's right now it's February the 14th, 2022. So I really was just experimenting here to see if this could survive here, and it's doing just fine in the winter. And it was doing good in the summer too, in the full sun, the hottest part of the summer. Anyhow, I'll keep you updated on the progress of these running onions. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.